guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. This video is actually going to be about this hair that I'm wearing, and I'm telling you, this hair is so gorgeous. This hair is from MsLynn hair company here on Aliexpress. I believe they have their own website as well, which I'll link down below. This is actually a wig. Now usually I purchase bundles and then I create a wig. Nowadays I really don't have time for myself, so I decided to purchase a wig that I can just throw on and go. Starting with the specs, this is 12 inches and the name of this wig is Brazilian Curly Bob, color 1B, density 150%. The lace is pretty deep. It's 6 inches by 13 inches. Now I didn't glue down the flaps here because it goes from here to here. This hair was sent to me via DHL. There were not that many reviews pertaining to this wig, and I only found one girl who took pictures of her unit and it looked really good on her. So I decided to take that plunge and purchase, and I don't regret it at all. I think the waves are very beautiful. They're very natural. Like, you know, when you get your bundles, like, you know, those water waves. Now water waves are on the natural side, but like the body waves and the deep waves, they kind of look very like machine made, like very manufactured. But these curls, I should call it waves, these waves are very natural looking. When I initially got the unit, I washed it with Daily Moisture Hydration shampoo by Dove, and it looks like this. And then I conditioned the hair with Cheek Keratin conditioner. So it came in a box, which I'll probably insert a clip here. It came in a box like that, and then there were those like the elastic bands for your wig. It's very nice of the seller to include that in my box. And also he gave me a wig cap, which is pretty cool. Actually a little bit of baby hairs, but I didn't use any. I just slicked down my widow's peak. Only two things that I don't like about this wig. There's this short pieces. They're like 2 inches long. So you see how it's sticking out. I'm talking about these. Like, why is there short pieces here? I don't understand. And I think it's because of that I'm getting this weird volume at the back. No, this hair doesn't shed at all. Like, it is a good girl. Like, it doesn't shed. It's beautiful. If I want the hair voluminous like this, you see the difference? I can just comb through and it will become voluminous. The waves are so beautiful, and this hair doesn't tangle. I can run my fingers through. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.